know how to get to it then. Okay, so within Hootsuite, what Hootsuite allows you to do is schedule your posts to go out into different, you can post on your wall or you can post in different groups. It only allows you to have 4 groups unless you actually purchase Hootsuite. And then there's another one called Sendable. But I use Hootsuite. I haven't purchased it. I just keep my minimum to 4 groups. And then I try to post within the rest. So you can see the groups that I have here. It shows you your wall. And then it shows you, like I have the Team Boom Coaches group. I have our Team Boom X group. And then I have our coach internship that's coming up. So what you do is you go into Hootsuite and you'll see like this little owl up here. You click on that owl, and right here where it says add social network, you'll click on that and add in whatever social network that you're trying to schedule a post for. So probably Facebook. So you would click on Facebook and you connect with Facebook. And so then all of the groups that you're in are going to come up right in here. And you can select which groups that you want to add to your Hootsuite. Like I said, it only allows you to do 4 groups, so you have to, choose whatever groups that you want to. Probably the Team Boom X group, if you're going to want to schedule a post in there, maybe the coaches group. Those are 2 important ones, that you want to kind of be posting in. So you select the groups here, hit finish importing. And then go home on your Hootsuite, and it'll show all of them right here. So then you come up here to where you have your drop-down box, and it's going to show all of your groups in here. So let's say that I need to post something in the Team Boom X challenge group. This is where I post like our daily workout threads for the group. I go in here and I just schedule my posts for the month. So like I post on Saturdays and Sundays. I think Tanya posts on Wednesdays and Thursdays, and Melanie posts on Mondays and Tuesday. Yep. Okay. So Tanya, I'm Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So then I do Saturdays and Sundays. So I'll come in here and I'll schedule the post for the day. So say Saturday workout thread. Let's do our workout. And here you can add a picture. Sorry, right here you can add a picture. So like it's going to be in your files, whatever pictures that you have. Or you can do it directly from like Google. Like if you're going to Google like motivational quotes or motivational pictures, and I'll show you how to do that too. So and then you can schedule your actual post. So you're just going to go to the calendar. And I know I already have October done, so I'm going to pick November 1st because that's my day. You're going to schedule whatever time you want it to go out at. I usually do them early morning because I know some people get their workouts in early, and then AM, and schedule. And so that schedules your post for you. And then you can scroll right down, and here's my Team Boom X, all of my posts scheduled for October. And you'll see my post for November that I just scheduled to go out. And then if you want to do to a different group, you would just come over here. Okay. And pick a different group to post it to. We've got things over. I can't get this to go away. Okay. Great. I'm going to show you. Okay. So let's say you want to post something right from Google. images, right click, Hootsuite, and share image via sometimes those images are too large, so you just have to find another image. Okay, so then you would pick your social, whatever group that you wanted it to go into. I just delete the link. Sunday workout friend. And then you're gonna do scheduling your message. Auto schedule will send it out right now. And then you have send now. So go and pick whatever, when you're gonna send it. But now I have 2 posts for November that are scheduled. So it's really simple once you get the hang of it. Do you have any questions? Or is there anything that, Connie, you think that I missed? Or anybody think that I missed?
Do you just log into it? Because I just have the app on my phone.
I don't have it on my phone. I just go right on my computer and do it. But I would imagine if you had like Hootsuite.com on your phone, you would just log into it.
But you can just type that on in the internet and it'll just come up on the computer?
Yeah. Yep.
I have a question, sorry.
Yeah,
I had to run outside real quick. How did you get the streams to come up? Like not just your wall, but you got the different groups. How did you do that?
You go over here to add stream. And then Facebook. And right here will show the streams that you added in. And so you would select one, and then down here you would select what you wanted to show, like your scheduled messages, or your just the photos. You can select what it is that you want to show up in the stream.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's how you would make these actually show up. I'm like pointing at the screen like you guys can see. That's how you would make the actual stream show up within the feed. Anything else? Any other questions? You guys think that all makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just play with it and figure it out.
Yeah, it's pretty easy once you get it. I mean, like I said, just right here in the owl, this is where you're gonna add your actual groups. And delete groups if you want to delete them and add a different one. And then you have your streams. This is gonna show you your streams right here. And scheduling posts is pretty easy. You just go up to your top, pick what group you're going to go schedule in, and then type your message, and you can schedule it here.
Do you ever do like reoccurring ones, or you do each of them individually? You know what I mean? Like you said, you post Saturday and Sunday, but so you go in and make one for each Saturday and each Sunday. You don't just repeat them. You know what I mean?
Right. I go in and make one because it's like I do different pictures, and sometimes I say different things. So yeah, I'll go in and I'll start at the end of October. I'll go in and do all of November for the month. And this is really helpful. It saves a lot of time. And so you don't have to remember every morning to go in and post. Even if you're posting within the coaches group, just motivational quotes for coaches, or just anything in there. I post Fridays in the coach group are power hour threads. So I have all those scheduled for every Friday morning. And then sometimes I try to go in and I just post regular things, just quotes and different tips and things like that. And I'll schedule all those for the month too.
It's a huge time saver when we do these mini challenges, the 30-day challenges within our group too, because then you don't have to worry about getting in and trying to remember to post every single day, you can literally start on October 1st and schedule 30 days worth of daily things for our little fitness challenges.
Right, and even if you don't sit down and do it all at once, I mean, even if you sit down on Monday and just do for the week, and then sit down the following Monday and do for the week, you know, you don't have to, because it is time consuming to sit down and do it all at once, but it's a time saver in the long run. So, yeah. It's a nice little tool we have. Is there any other questions besides